Happy Wednesday, everybody. Today's topic is one dinner, two lifestyles, and how to make it work for your family. Welcome to the Daily Spoonful, your quick bite of low-carb clarity with me, Dr. Rose Petrilla, the Primal Professor. You don't need to cook two completely different meals. You just need one smart strategy. So here's my go-to approach. Make the base meal simple and flexible, like tacos, burgers, stir fry, or grilled protein with sides. Then customize the sides. You eat your taco meat in a lettuce wrap or over cauliflower rice, and they can pile theirs in tortillas or over white rice. You enjoy the burger with avocado and some tomato, and they get the bun and fries. This keeps everyone happy without making you feel like you're the short order cook. Here's today's nugget. You don't need a new menu, you just need new habits around the same food. I had a client whose kids refused to eat diet foods. So instead of saying, "This is keto," she just made taco night, then skipped the tortillas and added extra guac for herself. Nobody complained, and over time, they even started asking for her version. So try this. Pick one family favorite this week, spaghetti, tacos, burgers, and deconstruct it. Make yours low carb and theirs familiar, and see how easy it can be. You can live low carb in a high carb house. Your health doesn't have to wait for everyone else to get on board. Stay strong, stay kind, and keep leading by example. I'll see you tomorrow.